Good morning everyone. Let's discuss in this video Parkinson MCQ. So we covered total in part 4 the Parkinson disease. In part 1 we discussed definition, clinical features. Part 2 માં આપણે etiology discuss કરી, investigation discuss કર્યું. In part 3 we discussed some management, nutritional and surgical management, and in part 4 I discussed physiotherapy management. Now we discuss the MCQ test. So the first MCQ is the Parkinson disease marked by a lack of which chemical in brain? So the option A serotonin, option B GABA, option C dopamine, and option D norepinephrine. So which chemical leads to the Parkinson? Think that. So the correct answer is dopamine. If in our brain degenerative changes થશે તો એનાથી જે dopamine release થાય છે from the substantia nigra that reduce and that leads to the Parkinson disease. The question 2, what is average age when PD first appears? Option A 25, option B 50, option C 60, and option D 75. Average age that show the Parkinson disease. So the answer is option C, age 60, which is the most common average age when the Parkinson disease symptoms are first appears. The next question is, first symptom of Parkinson disease is which? A, headache, B, nausea, C, shaking of hand or foot, and D, turning head problem. First symptom. So the correct answer is shaking of hand or foot, that called as tremor. The next question is, how Parkinson disease diagnosed? So option A neurological examination, option B EMG, option C with blood test, and option D ma આવશે A and B, not all of them. So which is the correct answer? So the correct answer is option D, A and B. We can study neurological examination and EMG in Parkinson patient. Question 5th is, how is Parkinson disease treated? Option A with medicine, option B surgery, that is DBS, option C radiation, and option D A and B. Which treatment is useful in Parky patient? Think that. So these are the treatment options for the Parkinson patient. Question number 6, Parkinson is a movement disorder. The answer A is true and option B, that is false. Think Parkinson is a movement disorder. चुप रहेगी जरा. Parkinson is a movement disorder. Then question number 7, severe headache is a main symptom of Parkinson disease. Option A true, option B false. So the correct answer is option B false, because the main symptoms of Parkinson disease are 4. the tremor, the bradykinesia, the rigidity, and the postural instability. The severe headache is not a symptom of PD. So the answer is false. Question number 8. What causes Parkinson disease? Option A, blood infection. Option B, stroke. Option C, depression. And option D, loss of brain chemical dopamine. Which is the most common cause of Parkinson disease? So the correct answer is option D, loss of brain chemical dopamine. Question number 9. Dementia is seen in later stage of Parkinson disease. Option A true, option B false. So the correct answer is true, option A. Because in later stage પેશન્ટમાં dementia Parkinson પેશન્ટમાં જોવા મળે છે. The question 10. Who are more likely to develop Parkinson disease? Option A men, option B women. That we discuss in epidemiology. Think that. So the correct answer is men, because the 3:2 ratio is present in that men is 3 and 2 is women. So the more likely to develop Parkinson disease that are men. Question number 11. Specific treatment of idiopathic Parkinson disease is what? A, muscle relaxant. B, mood elevators. C, levodopa plus carbidopa. And D, multivitamin drugs. So the main treatment of idiopathic Parkinson disease is. So the correct answer is option C, levodopa plus carbidopa, which is given in combination so that levodopa cannot easily cross the blood-brain barrier and it gives effect at actual place. So the answer is C. Question number 12. Which is not the cardinal features of Parkinson disease or the main symptoms of Parkinson disease? Option A, tremor. Option B, bradykinesia. Option C, rigidity. And option D, nystagmus. Which is not the cardinal features of PD? So the correct answer is nystagmus, because the 4 cardinal features are tremor, bradykinesia, rigidity, and postural instability. And nystagmus, it is the not the cardinal features of PD. Question 13. Parkinson plus syndrome occurs in association with, except one is: A, progressive supranuclear palsy. B, Alzheimer's disease. And C, epilepsy. So the correct answer is epilepsy, because these two are the neurological other degenerative disorder which are associated with Parkinson disease. That's why it is known as Parkinson plus syndrome. But epilepsy is not one of that. Question 14. Rigidity in PD described as: A, clasp knife rigidity. B, cogwheel rigidity. And C, non-specific spasticity. So the correct answer is B, cogwheel rigidity, because in rigidity clinical features we discuss, rigidity has two types, cogwheel and lead pipe. So in Parkinson disease, cogwheel rigidity is common. The last question 15. Which tremor common in Parkinson disease? Option A, intentional tremor. Option B, resting tremor. And option C, none of above. So the correct answer is resting tremor, because in Parkinson patient, whenever patient cannot induce any movement, though also tremor is present, and during sleeping it disappears. So the resting tremor is common. Intentional tremor means કે જ્યારે movement કરે ત્યારે જ produce થાય. So it is not common in PD, but the resting tremor is common in Parkinson patient. So these are all about MCQs. Thanks for watching, and please comment your score below કે આપણે ટેસ્ટ કરી તો એમાં તમે કેટલા માર્ક્સ મેળવ્યા છે. ઓકે, પ્લીઝ comment and share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.